Now after Stan's great questions, it made me think of 2 questions to ask you as well.
Awesome.
How do you know when the FECO is working?
Okay, so I get that question all the time. You know, how do I know when it's working? And you'll know it's working by the way you feel and through tests. Okay, so like usually when people come to me, they've tried a bunch of other stuff when they don't feel very well. You know, especially if they have something like cancer or heart disease or whatever. So you're feeling really bad, you're going to start to feel better. They're just like you know when you feel better, so you'll actually feel better. And then on tests that you do from the doctors, whether they're scans or blood tests or whatever they may be, and whether it's for blood pressure, heart disease, cancer, etc., the tests will come back better. Like the doctor will see improvement and actually tell you that you are improving. I mean, it's literally not like a guessing game or the speculative stuff. It's you actually do get better, and it's shown through tests.
Excellent.